In this video, we're going to be talking about the general definition of an exponential, as well as some simplification you'll need to know going forward. The definition of an exponential function is f of x equals c times a to the x, where c is a coefficient, a is your base, which is also a number, which must be positive, and x is your exponent. So let's look at what this would look like in terms of numbers. You could have something like 2 times 3 to the third, or 5 times 6 squared. So how would we simplify this rather than just putting it in our calculator? If we have 2 times 3 cubed, we want to deal with our exponent first by the order of operations. So that's going to give us 2 times 27, and then we just multiply and get 54. Next, let's talk about an interesting case. What happens if you have 0 as your exponent? So if you have, say, a to the 0, that's going to be 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So if I have 10 to the 0 power, that's 1. Next, let's move on to fractional exponents. If you have a raised to the b over c, that's going to be the c root of a to the b. Let's put that in numbers to make that make a little more sense. Say I have 5 times 27 to the 2/3. That's the same thing as saying 5 times the cube root of 27 squared. So here we want to start on the inside and work our way out. So we're going to have 5 times the cube root of 729. The cube root of 729 is 9, so we'll have 5 times 9, which will give us 45. The last special case I want to talk about is the natural exponential form, which mathematicians write as the letter e. E is a number similar to pi where it goes on forever. So e is approximately 2.718282, but it's a number that's going to pop up moving forward with exponentials quite frequently.